What's the latest news on Hbar and what's next? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around Hbar. Let's talk about forecasts and technical indicators. Hbar is currently in a very important technical phase. After a long bearish trend, the asset managed to hold the critical support zone around $0.08 to $0.085. And from that area, a gradual recovery started with increasing buying activity and improving market structure. On the daily time frame, sellers are no longer able to push the price down aggressively like they did several weeks ago, while the overall structure is slowly shifting from bearish to neutral. And if Hbar manages to secure a strong breakout above 0.10 to 0.11, the market could transition into a much stronger bullish phase. At the moment, the price is trading inside an accumulation range where larger market participants are likely building positions before the next major move. Volume growth remains relatively healthy without signs of panic or extreme overheating, which is usually considered a constructive setup for continuation. RSI on mid-range timeframes has already recovered from oversold territory and is moving closer to neutral levels, showing that buyers are regaining strength. But euphoria has not entered the market yet. MACD is attempting to form a bullish crossover, while moving averages are beginning to flatten after a prolonged decline, especially the EMA 50, which now becomes a key level for trend confirmation. If the price can stay above it, the probability of a medium-term reversal increases significantly. Another important detail is that Hbar has recently started outperforming many weaker altcoins, and this often becomes an early signal that speculative capital is returning to the asset. Fundamentally, Hedera still maintains one of the strongest enterprise narratives in the crypto sector, and this is one of the main reasons why investors continue to monitor Hbar closely. Many market participants believe the project remains undervalued relative to its corporate integrations and long-term infrastructure potential. Because of that, even moderate bullish momentum quickly turns into stronger upside movement driven by FOMO and renewed market attention. From a technical perspective, the nearest resistance zone is located around 0.10 to 0.11. This level has rejected the price multiple times in previous attempts and remains the most important barrier for bulls. If buyers manage to secure a breakout and hold above that range, the next targets could be 0.13 followed by 0.15. And in the case of a broader alt season, the price could even revisit the 0.18 to 0.20 region. However, such a scenario would likely require either a stronger Bitcoin rally followed by liquidity rotation into altcoins or additional positive ecosystem developments around Hedera. If Hbar fails to hold above 0.09, then another correction towards 0.085 and potentially 0.08 remains possible. Although at the moment this scenario appears less likely because demand has been gradually increasing over recent sessions, market psychology is also very important here because Hbar spent a long period under pressure and many traders still remain skeptical. This creates the possibility of a sharp upside acceleration if resistance levels break because short positions could begin closing rapidly while new buyers enter simultaneously. In the short term, the asset already looks stronger compared to previous weeks. In the medium term, the structure is improving steadily. While in the long term, much will depend on whether Hedera can continue expanding real network adoption and maintain institutional interest. For now, the most probable scenario is continued movement towards 0.11 to 0.13 with periodic pullbacks and elevated volatility. Hbar still remains a high-risk asset because the altcoin market is heavily dependent on Bitcoin and broader liquidity conditions. But if a full alt season develops, Hbar could significantly outperform the wider market due to its relatively depressed valuation and large recovery potential. Do you think Hbar will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on Hbar in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.